Hi, my name is Matthew Pierce. I'm a software engineer, and today I'd like to discuss if compressing JavaScript is a good idea. And just kind of as a blanket answer, yes, it's a good idea. Because typically your JavaScript's going to be, it'll be something big, some substantial size, maybe a few key of code, and JavaScript is an interpreted language, so it sends the source code across the web from the server to your client, which can be a lot of, depending upon your network connection, it can be a lot of information going across. And anything you can do to compress it down will lessen your network traffic and the load of the network, and rely more on your CPU to decompress it and bring it up, and run it in your browser. And typically, when you're loading a web page, your CPU, your hardware, everything's just waiting for that network connection, unless you're on like a LAN, a local LAN going from one machine to the other. And still, you're going to be, your CPU and your memory and hard drive is going to be faster than the LAN. So anything you can do to compress your JavaScript is going to make things load faster. Now, there are several tools out there that are readily available for doing JavaScript compression. And if you go to this website right here, the javascriptcompressor.org website, it has a nifty web page here with ways that you can compare the different tools. Now, I went to the W3 Schools website, which is a web programming standards in school. It gives lots of tutorial information on how to do web programming, and they have all sorts of example JavaScripts and JavaScript snippets that you can use, and that's what I did. I just grabbed some of those, and then you just cut and paste it into the browser here, and then when you get done, you can select the tools that you want to compare. Some of them are giving some errors on these things, those guys there, but I'll select them anyway so you can see what they do. And then you click Compare Compressors. Now, this code right here is 959 bytes, not real big, but you get to look and see how we had a couple errors. The Clojure compiler didn't like it, and the YUI compressor didn't like it. For some reason, there's something in there. However, if you just try some other scripts or your own code, you'll get to see what it does. But you look, and I don't believe that, but the JSMin original file is 958 bytes, and the Packer, this one here got it down somewhat, that one brought it down somewhat, but when you run the gzip over it too, it really reduces the size, almost in half, and more so than in half in this case here. So yeah, compressing your JavaScript is a good idea. Like I said, it'll speed up your network transfers and just make your websites and everything on them that can be compressed load that much quicker. My name is Matthew Pierce. Today we talked about whether it's a good idea to compress JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Bye.